Hi there, and congratulations on taking this step to join the CompTIA Cyber Ready program. The next 6 months will be challenging and engaging as you prepare for your new career. How do I know? Well, I was a career changer myself, and I spent the early part of my career, more than 10 years, in the transportation industry. I always enjoyed technology, but I thought of it as a hobby. I never thought I could turn it into a career. It was some encouragement from my wife that became the catalyst for me to make the change to get my first certification. Today, I am the co-founder and CEO of ITProTV, an online on-demand training company, and now my hobby is my career. ITProTV members can access more than 4,000 hours of IT training content to start and advance their IT careers. We were recently named the official video training partner for CompTIA. We also offer training for vendors such as Cisco, Microsoft, Apple, Linux, and more. And I'm proud to say that ITProTV is helping people just like you fulfill their career goals and become IT professionals. Again, accept my congratulations as you begin this journey, and welcome to the IT community.